This is a lesson in I Can't Get No Satisfaction by the Rolling Stones. It's a good beginner riff and it's great. It's all on one string, all on the fifth string here. And it also starts to use the baby finger and the ringer finger. And the more that these fingers get used, the stronger they get. So I'll play it through once and then we'll go through it step by step. So that's it. Now let's go through it note by note. Okay, to start out, let's position the left hand. So we're going to be on the fifth string. So we count up from the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You want to put your index finger, your first finger, on the second fret. And then spread out your fingers so that each finger kind of is on its own fret. So your middle finger's on the third fret, and then the fourth, and then the fifth fret over here with your baby finger. Now the three notes that are used in the song are on your second fret, your fourth fret, and your fifth fret. So just go through and make sure that you can get each of those notes to sound. And once we have that, we'll play through the notes. So we're going to go 2, 2, that's the beginning. So you have 2, 2, 2, 4, 5. Let's try that again. So it's 2, 2, 2, 4, 5. And then from there we have 5, 5. Now you have a pull off, which means you're going to pull this finger off and keep this one down so it makes a sound. So if I play it and pull it off like that. So if we add that into the song, we have 2, 2, 2, 4, 5, 5, 5, pull off. And now we're going from our 4, sliding back down to our 2. So there's a few tricky things there. We have a pull off and a slide. So let's try it again. So 2, 2, 2, 4, 5, 5, 5, pull off, 4, slide down to 2. And that's Satisfaction by the Rolling Stones.